Hello everyone, I'm Jackie. Today we are going to talk about the difference between IP address and MAC address. I will introduce them in two videos. The first, let's talk about IP address. Whenever we access data or surf the internet, we must have an IP address. Just like sending a package, you need a address to send it successfully. Why do we need an IP address? Because data forwarding must go through a device which is called a router. Inside the router, there is a map, which we call routing table or IP address forwarding table. Simply put, the routing table is full of IP address range. If the data we want to send does not carry an IP address, the router cannot send the data. Therefore, our data communication must have IP address, whether sending or receiving data. Okay, that's the end of today's video. If you have any question, please leave a message to me. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time, guys.